So, how do we create a culture of safeguarding within our organizations? There are four key areas that we need to look at. Number one is policy, and this is where your organization comes up with standards and policies that highlight safeguarding as a core value. This can be through development of safeguarding policies, codes of conduct. Under safeguarding policies, you can have quite a number. For example, at APHRC, we have 6 safeguarding policies. We have a safeguarding policy in itself. We have policy with working with people at risk. We have the conflict of interest policy. We have a whistleblowing policy. Um, we also have a policy on harassment. So you can decide how to structure your policies. It could be one, it could be more than one, so long as they touch on all safeguarding issues, that is with regards to adults at risk, with regards to children, and any other vulnerable people. And it's also important to align them with international standards and national laws. Remember the global standards that we went through. So it's good to use that as a guide. Those are what currently being used. And even at APHRC, I would say we followed the international standards as well as national laws. Secondly, we have people. In as much as they have policies and procedures, they are not enough to ensure safeguarding is fully complied with. So, in order to create a safe organization, what else do you need to look at? Look at your organization's culture and leadership. And this is important for effective safeguarding. For one, leaders should encompass the role of safeguarding in how they do their work, and they should also train their staff members and have the mandate to update the safeguarding manager or leads on any incidents. Thirdly, we have processes and procedures, and this is where we talk about the whistleblowing process or reporting mechanisms. So you should first have reporting mechanisms that are available to all people within the organization and third parties as well. Um, the processes and procedures should have clear case management processes and investigations that are highly confidential due to the nature of safeguarding. And lastly, we have accountability. And it is important to have clear ways of governing safeguarding and holding the organization accountable for safeguarding. Regular management reporting on safeguarding performance and boards reviewing this performance is essential for accountability.